Sairam, dear children. We are now living in a world borders, practically speaking. There is so much going and coming between nations that the borders have narrowed down. Have you heard the term NRI, non resident Indian, an Indian who has migrated to another country for the sake of job? Where does he reside? He no longer resides in India. He resides abroad. How does he reach there? How far may these countries be? What modes of transport must these people be using? What food? What climate? What currency? And what link with whom? All these are areas of curiosity for you. Is there anyone in your home who is an NRI? Where is he working? Arab countries? European countries? American countries or part of Asia itself? Try to collect details by talking to them. It will be a wonderful experience. Our present lesson, Home and Abroad, is about the exchange of ideas between a family coming home from abroad, Abu Dhabi, the capital city of United Arab Emirates, and a family from Kerala who are related to them and have come to receive them at the airport. Malus, Chittappan, and his family were coming after home after 5 years. Chittappan is father's younger brother, and Kunyamma, his wife, they had to move to Abu Dhabi, the capital city of United Arab Emirates, as they had got a job. Malu and Rappa went to the airport to receive them. As the plane landed, they had to wait a little for the passengers to collect their luggage. At last, they saw Kunyamma, Chittappan, and their two children coming out, Shanta and Shashi. They had grown because it has been 5 years since they had come to Kerala. There were so many suitcases and bags. They fitted into the taxi, and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Malu thought Shanta was very tired after the very long journey because they are coming from Abu Dhabi, which is very far away from India or Kerala. But Shanta told she is not tired. You know, children, why? Because they had used the means of transport was aeroplane. They took a flight, and it took only 2 hours for them to reach Kerala. So Malu was thinking she had a trip to Chennai. Chennai is a place in Tamil Nadu which is closer to Kerala, but still they had to take 12 hours journey to reach Chennai in a train. So air transport is the fastest means of transport compared to the land transport. So it takes only little time to reach. Malu wanted Shanta to share her experiences about the place that she was living, Abu Dhabi. Shanta, she told that while in the plane, they could see only miles and miles of sand with different colors. So, Abu Dhabi is a place in a desert actually, where everywhere you see sand, dust and dust around. So Malu was telling she saw the sand only in a seashore, and mountains made only of sand was seen in Abu Dhabi, and those were called as sand dunes, added Shashi, her brother. Kunyamma, Chittappan's wife, she was reminded of the greenery, the rivers, the different kinds of trees that she saw in Kerala, which were not seen in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi was a land in a desert where there was no rivers, no ponds, lakes. Everywhere it was sand and sand only. Water was very precious. They had to pay and bring water home. But Shashi told that under the sand they have lot of oil. So in fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Chittappan. By the time the taxi reached Malu's house, Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see many fruit trees, coconuts, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, and so many kinds of trees. The only tree they could see in Abu Dhabi was date palms, because date palms grow in deserts, which gives us sweet dates. After they had met everyone, Kunyamma unpacked their bags and they started distributing the gifts for everyone, gave dates, which was very sweet and tasty. Shanta explained that the money they used in Abu Dhabi was different from that was seen in India. In India, we use rupee, whereas in Abu Dhabi, the currency is dirham. So different nations, different countries have different currencies. Find out which are the currencies used in different nations. And dirham had some writings in their local language. Shanta showed them a lot of photographs that they have taken from Abu Dhabi, and Malu noticed that all the houses were multi-storied big buildings with full glass windows. She thought that they could get good breeze when they keep these big windows open. Chittappan told they cannot keep their windows open because it's too hot outside and everywhere inside the house they have air conditions. So they cannot open their windows and keep. As the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. They don't have rains. Children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding out more about the country from their cousins. Chittappan gave them a globe to go through the countries that seen there. So they enjoyed their day, sharing their experiences, comparing their experiences, and Malu could learn a lot how Kerala is and how Abu Dhabi is. So children, compare what are the similarities and dissimilarities that you see in Abu Dhabi and Kerala. Sairam, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Based on this lesson, few questions will be given. Write it and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Read the lesson 3 times. Sairam.